Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix a monitor with yellow tint screen problem Windows. Click Start, Settings, click System, click Display. Click Advanced Display Settings. Click Display Adapter Properties for Display 1. Click Color Management tab, click Color Management. Check Use My settings for this device. Click Add, select sRGB color space profile.icm. Click OK, click Close. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.